Hi, I'm Mike, and today I'm going to try to figure out why this shower light keeps flickering on and off. Hey, if this is your first time here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button below so you don't miss anything. Alright, so this light has been a real pain. As you can see, it goes on and off. No idea why. I doubt it's the bulb. I think it's got an LED bulb in there. So we're going to check it out. Well, as you can see, the power is still on to this light, and it will go on and off sporadically. No idea why, but it's got a removable cover here. Looks like this whole can wants to come down. That's interesting. I can feel there's still the gasket is here to keep the steam inside this shower from getting inside the can. And of course, now that the camera's on, it won't go off. Interesting. Well, I'm going to turn the power off and get out my flashlight. Okay, so all I did was remove the cover, remove the light bulb, and remove this cover that the light bulb and the socket sits in. So now we'll take a look up there. All right, I've got the light bulb out and the switch is now on. And you can see that I am getting power. Okay, so if I screw the light bulb in, we should have light. All right, got the light bulb in. And of course we've got power because the light bulb is on. All right, so the light went out. I do have power here. So is it the bulb? Is it the bulb or the socket? I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to check out that socket. I'm going to unscrew this bulb and check out the little tab in the socket there. Look at that, how weird. Okay, power is off. Just want to test it and make sure nothing happening there. I'm gonna get my screwdriver, and I need another hand for this, but basically I want to try to lift that up a little bit and see if I can get better contact. And I'm going to have to put this camera down to do that. Okay, so I basically put a standard screwdriver underneath that brass tab, goosed it out a little bit, scraped it up just to make sure there wasn't anything funky causing any of this stuff. And so the power's still off. I'm going to screw this light bulb back in and go flip on the power and see if that does anything. And again, I need another hand for this. Okay, well, I mean, that's a good sign. I'm not surprised, but if it actually was the problem, this light will not turn off and it'll be good to go. And I hope that's all that it is, so I don't have to do any more work. So interestingly, the light went off, and I grabbed my tester and held it near the socket, and there was absolutely power into the socket, which tells me that there's something funky with the bulb. So I took this bulb out, and this bulb is like fire hot, and it really shouldn't be this hot. It's an LED bulb. I just grabbed another light bulb that I've got on me, stuck it in there, and it's been lit now for, I don't know, 10 minutes or so, and it's just a basic, I don't even know what it is. It is an LED type of bulb, but this sucker got really hot, so maybe the whole problem all along was this stupid bulb, and I just wasted a couple hours doing this. Anyway, I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions or comments, leave it in the comment section below. If you're interested in our franchise opportunity, I'll leave a link for that in the comment section below. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and we'll see you next time.